Good morning, YouTube. Coach Mike back with a breakfast video. And I just wanted to make this video because for a weight update, so I weighed in at 228.8, which is excellent. I was 230.2, so we lost around a pound last night. Mostly, I'm pretty sure it's just water weight right now because it's still only like day 4, but yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling more light than I did yesterday. And I just want to say the last meal I had was the steak and potatoes around 7 or 8. And then I had a salad and cucumbers around like 12. But I was getting hungry at like 2 a.m. because I was up all night playing Resident Evil. I was getting hungry around 2 a.m. but I was gonna eat a tuna on a bagel, and I was like, if I eat this now, I'm probably not gonna drop any weight for tomorrow because that food's gonna be in my stomach. So I was like, I forced myself to go to bed without, eating so I can shrink my stomach up a little, get used to not eating late at nights, and it paid off. So I have to eat some chicken and potatoes. I think it's gonna be the breakfast power move. I don't have any chicken made right now, so we just have to make some real quick. And I guess I'll just show you how I make my chicken. So I have 3 pieces of chicken breast right here. And right now, I just have to chop off the fat and then marinate it. All right, guys, so this is how I've been prepping my chicken for like probably a year now. And I found it a really nice recipe, and it's really, I haven't really got bored of it. So you got your chicken breast right here, and I'm just gonna take them out the bag one by one. So as you know, they're all slimy and stuff, so I just use a paper towel to dry them off. And then flatten it out a little bit. And then I just like to pick off the fat. So I'm not really a big fan of all the fatty pieces, and just getting rid of all this little extra stuff. All right, that looks good right now. And place it on the plate. So I have 2 more to go. Same with this one. Paper towel, dry it off, and get it nice and dry. And it looks like this one has like a little piece of bone in it, so we're just gonna cut that out because I don't want to be chomping on that when I'm eating this thing. Sometimes like you might get a bone or 2, or you get like a really bad piece of chicken cut. Nothing really you can really do about it besides look at it before you cook it. Trim it up to how you want it. All right, this one looks good now too. So let's go ahead and get the last piece going. And just make sure there's no bones in here. Peeling off unnecessary fat. And this one looks good. Wasn't really too much to cut, so I just put them all on a plate. Probably need a bigger plate because these are some big pieces of chicken, but it will do. So I'm going to wash my hands since I just used that meat. So now I'll just put like a little bit of olive oil on each piece. There's like a bottle you can get that does this a lot better, but when I moved, I unfortunately just tossed it out. And now you get the olive oil dripping down the side, so you gotta clean that up. You don't want olive oil all in your cupboards and everything. And then just rub the olive oil in the chicken. And that will give you a little bit more fat in your diet. Yeah, so since I cut off most of the fat of the chicken, it doesn't really have any fat on it. And chicken breasts really don't have any fat anyways. So that's why I add the olive oil. And then for my spice, the first spice is going to be paprika, crushed paprika. This one's a little more globby than the other ones because I got a cheaper brand. Oh, oops. And next I put garlic on. You can either put like garlic or onion powder. I don't really care what it is.
Garlic on the garlic onion powder added to your shopping list. Is that right?
No, Alexa. No.
Okay, I deleted garlic on the garlic onion powder for you.
I didn't think I said anything to do that. That's the first time it's happened. So garlic powder, and then I just do ground oregano. Just a little dabble. So then you want to blend it in. So your chicken's like a little nice little reddish orangish. So look at that. Nice piece of chicken, nicely marinated. So I usually put these in the air fryer for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken breast, at 400 degrees. I notice if I leave on for like 25 minutes, it gets a little more overdone. That doesn't really bother me. So if you guys like your chicken more tender, I definitely do like a lesser time than check the temperature. But for me, it doesn't really matter because most of the time it's in the fridge after I eat it, and then I just eat it really quickly. So let me wash my hands. So this is my little air fryer crate. I put tin foil down so you can, it's an easy cleanup. You just toss out the tin foil after you're done. And we'll just put these in here. I wish I had a bigger one, but you know, I have to make my chicken every like day, pretty much every day I make chicken. And I mean, it keeps them nice and fresh, you know, not sitting in the fridge for too long. I gotta wash my hands again. But yeah, that's how I make my chicken. It's a very good recipe, a secret recipe. But yeah, so that's my morning. I'm gonna go eat some chicken potatoes, play some Resident Evil, and drink a Celsius, get my day started. It's around like 9:30, so I think we're doing like back and something. I'll probably go to the main gym because it's a super nice day out, and I'll walk around a little, be in the public, and yeah. So I will catch you later, or I will catch you tomorrow. What is good, YouTube? Coach Mike back in the evening. It's currently 7 o'clock, and I just want to bring you guys an update on my day. So I was playing Resident Evil till like maybe like 1 p.m. Took a shower, cleaned up the countertops a little because they're a little dirty. I cleaned the countertops, and then after the shower, I just turned on some music on my TV, passed out on my couch for maybe like 2 hours. So we're running late today, but we still got the gym done. It was legs, and then guess I had no motivation to work out today at all. But we did around 35 minutes of legs, just some presses, some, I don't know, some, what do they call them, leg curls or something. And did my 30 minutes of cardio. I did not want to do cardio today at all. It was very warm in the gym, the apartment gym. And I really had to power through that one, but you know, I come on the video and say, hey, you know, I only did 10 minutes of cardio. But, you know, big news, 228.8 or something. So we're in the 228, and I stopped at the grocery store again. Who would have thought, you know? I think the past three videos I stopped at the grocery store. So I'll just show you guys what I picked up for dinner, because I've been craving pizza for 2 days now, and I can't really eat pizza unless it's like very thin, and like, but who's eating that crap? So I'll put down a large Domino's pizza, no problem, in one sitting, and that's like probably like 3,000 calories, because I get bacon, pepperoni, and green peppers on it. But you know, I can't be doing that because I'll have a stomach like that. So we got a little cheat meal, not really. I only ate twice today. I had one thing of chicken and rice, and then I had steak for lunch. So I picked up some rolls, hamburger rolls. You guys are like, ooh. 150 calories a piece, so I'll probably be eating 2 hamburgers today because I picked up some burgers. So I picked up some bacon and cheddar pub burgers. They got the bacon and cheddar inside of them. Look at that, you know. Ooh. I'm not sure on the fat content of it, but I was like, whatever, you know, it doesn't really matter. This will settle the cravings I'm having, and it's a nice meal because it's a really nice day outside. You couldn't get a better day than today. So we got the burgers. And I also picked up some tomatoes for my salad, and then I'll slice them up, put them on the burgers. And then I also picked up some diced onions because I don't really like cutting onions, and I can't cut them as fine as this, so I just buy the onions. It's a lot easier than me cutting them. And I have a ton of onions just laying in the fridge. They go bad, so it's like $2.50, and an onion costs like $1, so it's no brainer for me. But on the burgers, I'll just put tomato, lettuce, onion, and mustard. Keep it simple with the roll. So I mean, on the tough side, these are like 450 calories a piece, maybe 500. This is like a 1,600 calorie meal, so I'll take it, you know. I didn't really eat nothing all day, and I did legs and I did my cardio today, so this will hold me over for the night. If not, I can always have a salad or chicken and rice later. And then I just picked up some ragu sauce for if I want to make noodles, sauce, and pretty much goulash. If I want to make goulash sometime, I picked this up just in case. And I got all of this for $16, so good day. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these burgers up, enjoy them, and then I'm gonna play Resident Evil, I think. Maybe do some Mythic Pluses and WoW, watch some Netflix, and have a few Coke Zeros. No alcohol tonight, probably. No alcohol. Not tonight. I'm just hanging out so I can wake up early and feel refreshed tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and what day is it tomorrow? I'm pretty sure I gotta do like back and maybe triceps tomorrow. I'm switching it up. I usually do like back and biceps, but I wanted to switch it up, see how back and triceps will feel on it. It feels a little bit better, but I'm liking it. So I hope you guys had a great day. I hope the weather was nice near you. Hope you guys have a great night as well, because I know I will with these burgers. I'm excited to eat them because I've been eating chicken and rice and steak for 3 or 4 days now. And I don't really think I'll gain any weight tonight. I think I'll probably weigh around like 227.5 tomorrow, but we'll let the scale know tomorrow and see. So yeah, this will be it, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, let you know an update, and I'll see you tomorrow.